Hello, hey, hi, sup. Do I look fat in this outfit? It's about what we're doing today on Quarantine Chronicles. Welcome to another installment. Yesterday we made spaghetti from Pasta Evangelists, which got me shook. So today what I'm gonna do is try to go up a level up, and make some ravioli. We're gonna make spinach and ricotta ravioli as the ingredients suggest. The only thing is we don't have any Parmesan cheese. I've already weighed everything out this time, so should be a bit quicker. And now I kind of know what I'm doing, but also don't know what I'm doing. It could be a bit more fun. So the first step on the Pasta Evangelists little thing is weigh out flour and empty onto a wooden board, form into a volcano shape and crack an egg in this crater. This time we're going to not do it on the wooden board because that was effort to clean. And I've seen videos of people just do it on the work surface, and I've just Dettoled this to death, so... Oh, I forgot the eggs. Here's me like I've got everything. To make a bigger crater than you think you're gonna need. And she had 695,000 eggs. I've only got two. 2 eggs. Crack into the middle and make a crater. The woman on tasting, oopsie, put olive oil in her eggs. And she also actually cracked them into a bowl first. But I'm trying to go with what the instructions are saying, so I'm not gonna just crack it into a bowl like she did. Then using your fork, you're just gonna whisk it again. Oh, it's not scrambling as easy as the last time. And then on the video, she was like, choo, 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 choo. I was like, okay.
Yes, me.
I'm gonna add in a reg, see what happens. I still don't really know what I'm doing, but I feel like a chef. I can tell you for a fact that that's too sticky though, so I've added too much of that clearly. So, because it's too sticky, which means too much liquid, I'm gonna add more flour. Just to do the love hat, what she calls the hat technique, because it turns your surface into a hat for like 15 minutes. Oh, this is fun! I could do this. Oh, look at that, it's been 15 minutes. Didn't even realise, because I was having that much fun. It's better than it was yesterday, I'll say that though. Right, so put cling film around it. Wrap it in cling film. Ah! You can stay there for that. That was disrespectful. And then, boom. Nope. Wow, everything's disrespecting me today. We're just gonna pop that in the fridge. Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes, counting down.
We've got half an hour to clean up and start the filling of the ravioli. I keep wanting to say ratatouille. Okay, so it says the next steps to do whilst...
Wait a damn minute.
I'm so confused. Because basically it says the next steps to do whilst that's chilling is wait. But what I'm thinking is I might skip ahead. Because I'm smart. And do the 6th step. I'm currently on step 3, but I'm going to skip 4 and 5. And saute the spinach in butter using a sieve to drain all the moisture from the spinach and ricotta. I don't think this is the best wording, because then in step 7 it says combine the drained spinach with the ricotta and add Parmesan cheese. Season and fold together gently for 10 minutes. Well, how am I supposed to combine the spinach with the ricotta when the spinach is already with the ricotta, according to you guys in step 6, saying that I need to saute the spinach in butter and use a sieve to drain all the moisture from the spinach and ricotta? How's the spinach and ricotta together where I'm draining the moisture from? If my next step is to combine the spinach and the ricotta together. Huh? Make it make sense. I didn't need to throw that.
The timer has 17 minutes and 57 seconds to go.
Okay, so my plan is for the next 17 minutes and 57 seconds is I'm going to sort out the spinach. I'm going to saute the spinach, drain it, combine it with what? With the ricotta. I don't have any Parmesan. Does that mean I should use my ricotta if I don't have any Parmesan? And then I'll skip back to step 4, do 4 and 5, and then jump to step 8 and turn my attention back to the pasta sheet using a knife to cut the dough into 2 long strips. So, over to the cooker. Why am I acting like I have to edit that? We're going to the cooker. So here I've got the sauteed spinach in butter. Then it says to slowly fold in the ricotta. So that's 125 grams of ricotta cheese, 60 grams of spinach, and then we're gonna combine. It says to combine it for 10 minutes, fold it for 10 minutes. I don't know if I'm being stupid, but that just seems dumb to me. Like, once it's mixed, innit? And we're just gonna... And that's why I love rubber spatulas. I don't know if you saw that, but look how it just completely cleaned the bowl. We need to do the whole stretch it and leave it for 5 minutes again thing. What do I need to do now? Cut off a piece of dough the size of a golf ball and start to roll. Keep flipping your dough over, flouring each time. Anyone know the size of a golf ball? I'm gonna say that much. Ooh. That's the size of a golf ball, right? 4! Okay, you can definitely see my hand through that. Can you see it? Ah, that just felt like a lot easier than yesterday. Or maybe I'm just in the groove today. Turn your attention back to the pasta sheets. Use a knife to cut the dough into 2 long strips. Place a line of small blobs on the spinach and ricotta mixture onto the dough. The size of each blob is a teaspoon, with the excess removed with a knife. Oh gosh. So... Ah. That's not the best. So it's a teaspoon of... with the excess scraped off with a knife. then fold over. Sealing off all air. And then using my cutter. Hey up. Oh. Got a little bit stuck. Oh my gosh, wow. Can y'all see that? I don't know if this is doing anything. Let's see what we can do, eh? But I made a star. Okay, so I'm done. It didn't turn out as good as it was gonna make in my head. No, that's a lie. I'm Mr. Presentation. I've not presented these very well at all. My star looks a little bit like a starfish. Right, so let's give it a try. Mmm. That is so much nicer than I thought it was gonna be. It's so much nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Again, I'll leave a link to Pasta Evangeliste, not sponsored, obviously, where you can get like these pasta making kits yourself, or you can also sign up to their like subscription thing they do, which they send you really, really nice pasta. And everyone that watches this, you should definitely try it. And I think if the code that I'll put down there as well, or on the screen, I think if you use that you get a free one or some sort of money off your first. I think it's £10 off your first box, but you can get pasta dishes for like £4. So you see how you can get it for free. But yeah, subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, keep on keeping on. See ya. Oh. I'm not connected to my iPad anymore, so I have to turn it off manually. I'll just cut it. Cut.